Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to add a Google account to your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap Passwords and Accounts, or Users and Accounts, depending on your device. Then, tap Add Account. From the list of account types, select Google. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Next, enter your Google email address, then tap Next. Enter your Google account password, then tap Next again. If your account uses two-factor authentication, complete the verification process by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, review Google's terms and services, then tap I agree or accept to continue. Choose the data you want to sync, such as contacts, calendar, Gmail, photos, and Drive, then tap Finish or simply go back if the account is added automatically. Wait a few moments while your Android phone syncs your Google account. Once the setup is complete, you'll be able to use Google services such as Gmail, Google Play Store, Google Drive, Google Photos, and other apps connected to your account. That's all. You've successfully added a Google account to your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.